All right, so we're here at the Value Village in Decatur, Alabama, and we're going to look for stuffed animals to make into puppets. And here we go, right here. Okay, got a polar bear, looks like, and his little cub. We've got another guy here. Let's see here. This little dog here, does he have a working mouth? He does, but I think the neck is too small, but he's $1.99. I think, you know what? He looks fun. Let's do him. We'll put that in my cart there. Let's see here. What else do we have? Now we've got this pirate mouse. I don't think we're going to do anything with him. We've got Elmo up here. Elmo, how much is he? He's $2.99. I've got enough of these at home. This is one of the easiest puppets to make, is that Elmo puppet. Okay, so we've got a birthday bear. We've got this little dog. We've got a parrot. Let's see here. Can the parrot... Ooh, look at that. The parrot's going to be fun. And that's $1.99. Good. We've got that. All right. So we've got... We're breaking the budget today, I think. Let's see here. What we got? This little guy. We've got an elephant up here. Elephant tusks. We've got this bear. Let's see here. What do we have? This little dog here. This one has a little mouth that opens, but I don't think we're going to do anything with him. Okay, so what else? What do we got here? What's hiding up here? This little bear, no. Penguin from Madagascar. See, sometimes I'm even lucky enough to find existing puppets. Now this one, for some reason, doesn't have a mouth or anything. Let's see here. Okay. That. We're going to wrap around here. We're coming around the other side. Okay. Anything look good? This is one of those with the open mouth. We've got, again, it's easiest to get a stuffed animal with an open mouth. Here's the Dino from the Flintstones. As he falls, he wants to stay up there. Let's stay up there. Dino, stay up there. He's all... Okay, so let's see here. This dog, no. Six Flags, no. We've got Boeing. Let's see. Ooh, this is it's got bloodshot eyes there. That's kind of a scary one. That's a limited time only play to win. So look at these bloodshot eyes. That's a $2 one. Okay. Oh, look at this. Garfield. How much is he? He's $2. What do you think? I don't know. I think I will, just because it's Garfield. There we go. Whoops. There he is. Staying there. All right. And then we've got... And again, this is an experiment. We might not use this footage, but if we do, then you'll be lucky to see it. I don't mean it in an egotistical way, but you know what I mean. And here's the last little deal there. That's some big eyes there. And that's it. So we're going to think about this. We're going to look at these stuffed animals, and we're going to see if we can do something with them. But hang tight, and we'll see what I picked. All right, so what do we got? It looks like some pound puppies there. We have, what's this guy here? Some weird caterpillar type of thing. All right, we've got some Nerf guns, or a Nerf gun. We've got, looks like a Raggedy Ann or Andy. We've got a really tough, like, raccoon-looking thing there. Let's see what else we've got here. A little truck. There's a Scooby-Doo. Let's see here. What else is in here? There is some Beanie Baby type things. There's another Oh, this is a bonus. Look at this. We've got two Scooby-Doos in the same bag. So yes, we'll definitely do that because, of course, Scooby-Doo is what we're going for. There's a Tweety Bird, and it looks like a Curious George and a March of Dimes beanbag. There's some doll stuff there. Alrighty. There's one of the different Ninja Turtles there, I guess. Let's see here. What do we got here? Oh, there's not much going on in there. Let's see what we got here. Looks like a zebra and a monkey and a little doll. We've got some doll toys there, or doll clothes. We've got, let's see here, a couple of dogs in there. I have a bag of cheerleading stuff and then some baby dolls there. So hey, at least we found some. That might be something somebody would be interested in. I don't know. She's missing a hand though. So, and then the creepy baby dolls and stuff. So anyways, let's see what we got.